Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'd like to thank everyone that liked, subscribed, and commented on the previous videos. I really appreciate it. If you didn't like, comment, or subscribe, at least subscribe for me. Appreciate that. Today, we're going to go get the car ceramic coated, paint corrected, and get these tints finally put on my car. Been a month. It's been too long. Riding fishbowl way too long. So today I'm gonna do that and also show y'all the process of, the steps that they took to get it looking like it look at the end. This is the before. Let's see how it's gonna look. So we just washed and clay barred it, getting all that extra dirt and stuff off. Now I'm about to go add that ceramic coating after they polish and buff it and all that. Welcome back, everybody. I'm up here at this spot getting my window tint, ceramic coating and everything. So that's what I'm doing now. Let's see where they're at. Drying it off right now. It's getting there. It's getting there. So I just got the car washed, clay barred. Wow, that's what I'm doing now. I'm getting a wash, clay barred, ceramic coating, and add these tints to it. So, along with a paint correction. So, stay tuned. I'll still keep showing y'all steps along the way. And that's the preset for the tints. I'm just gonna print out on this machine right here. Just gonna print it out on this one. He loading it up. And it's cutting it right now?
Yep. See the cabinet through the door?
Yeah, I see it. Damn.
Cut the quarters after this.
Okay, he just cut it out. About to go put it on the window. Still over here getting it together. Right here at Precision Auto Spa. So that's where we at. Come through, come through.
different.
Right.
Hologram sucks.
I kind of see it. It could have just been the way the paint was, but I know y'all be saying it because he kept saying it earlier. I'm like, I don't see it. I don't know. But I know y'all got the eye
You
for
see this right here?
just side of something.
Like you see this?
Yeah.
Like this dull spot right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's more of like a hologram.
Got you.
Yeah. It's basically like, it looks hazy.
Got
When
you.
it's outside, it looks hazy, you know, don't look.
That little spot out. Got to get that ceramic coating, son. Stay tuned. Okay. We getting there. Still got the tint to get put on. He hitting it with the little, we ready to add the ceramic coating after he get that little hologram out. But yup, stay tuned. Stay tuned, YouTube. We getting there. That's the back piece right there for the back window. Getting the ceramic coating on it now. That right there just got it drying quicker. So yep, just applied the ceramic coating and everything. Now just helping it dry. So that's what we're doing right now. Got the tints. We already put the front one on.
I'm probably gonna clean the rims again. There was some shit, I don't know if that's rubbery stuff on there. Yeah. We just have to hand them all off.
I was like, I don't know what it was. You seen it too though, right?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You can feel it on it. It was like rubbery. It probably was just something that picked up on the way here or something. Cause I know snow, bro. Snow can.
I said, I didn't even know people tint that. He told me people tint them long roofs too. Crazy. I didn't know that. That's the front piece. Okay, YouTube, this is the final result. Ceramic coating, window tints. Comment below what do y'all think. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.